In this video, we'll be looking into JAMB 2026 practice question. And the subject we'll be looking at is chemistry. So before we start solving this question, firstly, I would advise you to pause this video, then answer this question, type the answer under the comment section, then resume back to this video to confirm whether you are correct or not. Question says an atom X has atomic number of 55 and mass number of 133. So the atomic number is 55, and whereby the atomic mass, okay, which is known as the RAM, relative atomic mass, or you call it mass number. So the mass number of 133. They said the nucleus of the X then has what and what. Now before this, that is what means special about atomic number. Atomic number is equals to the number of proton, also the same thing as electron. Atomic number is equal to the number of proton, also equal to the what? The number of electron. So that's the same. So they are the same. Whereby mass number is equals to the addition of proton plus neutron. Take note of this thing here. Take note of this thing here. Now, they said the atomic number here is what? The atomic number is 55, right? So the proton number will also be what? 55. The electron will also be what? 55. Exactly. Good. So here we're told that the mass number is what? 133. So the mass number is 133. So if the mass number is 133, what is going to, we already know the proton as 55. So what's going to be the neutron? That would be the mathematician will do this for us. So that would be 133, which is equals to 55 plus n. And n will be equals to 133 minus 55. So 133 minus 55, that's going to be 78. Isn't it? So meaning that the neutron is what? The neutron is 78. So after knowing this, then now let's relate it with what I've written here in this box. Atomic number is the same thing as the number of proton, also the same thing as the electron. Take note. Whereby the mass number is the addition of proton and neutron here is 78. Good. Now let's relate that with what we have in the option. They said the nucleus of X then has 55 proton, okay, and 78 electron. The electron is not 78, so number 1 is cancelled based on the electron. The electron is not 78, it is 55. Okay, B, 78 proton, the proton is 55, meaning that B is cancelled. So B is cancelled. Why C, 78 proton, look at the proton, is it 78? No. Can you say that the proton is 55, not 78? So C is also cancelled. Now what about D? D says that 55 proton, yes, and 78 neutron, correct. So the correct answer here is D. So the right answer here is D. My name is Matt Ken, a graduate of University of Ibadan, which I studied chemistry education. I also did mathematics and chemistry at the College of Education. So I have 10 years experience in tutoring UTME and SSC students. And I also have tutors as well, colleagues, whereby we tutor students for so many years. So if you want to join our virtual tutorial class, you can just send a message to the WhatsApp number on our profile picture. So, or probably you comment under the comment section that you want to join our tutorial class. We tutor both arts, commercial, and science students. Our tuition fee is 8,000 naira per month, whereby our classes on our timetable, our classes runs for Monday to Friday, whereby Saturday and Sunday for evaluation. So we use Zoom and WhatsApp classroom to teach, and our teaching are very effective. So if you're interested, please let me know either under the comment section or check our WhatsApp number on the profile picture and send a message to us on WhatsApp to join the class. Thank you so much. Bye. And please don't hesitate to share this video to other UTME students. Let them learn from this video if this video actually help you. Bye.